Sit by the bonfire, velvet that drapes over the sky.
So guys, malapit na kami sa kanila ni Indeera na bahay. Daming persimmon, no? Yung rangro. Grabe, daming bunga ng persimmon nila, guys. Galing. Ha?
Kaca-kaca haran to mukha tato.
Ki?
Taki sumuto na
Daw matcha? Ha? Cha? Oh, kasi daming mga nagtatanim dito, guys. Tawa ko kay Pramila eh. Paano, guys? Nandito kami sa gitna ng daan. Tapos may temple sa gitna ng daan. Oh, saan pa kayo? Hindi mo alam kung saan ka. Pagilid ka pa o ano. So, likong-liko na kami, guys. Pangit lang dito, guys, sa kanila ni Indeera na daan. Hindi maganda yung daan nila dito. Sabi ko kay Pramila, dito kami dadaan. Huwag kaming magdaan sa shortcut. Kasi may ahas. Plus, madaming aso. Pero tingnan nyo naman, guys, ang daming aso sa daan, oh. Pramila, halika dito. Baka mamaya, kagatin tayong dalawa. Huwag naman. Yan, mag-aaway pa sila. Oh, Diyos ko na. Kaya tayo dito. Pramila. Diyos ko, tawa si Pramila sa akin. Takot pa naman ako. Pero Diyos ko, kumahuli pa. Diyos ko na naman. Kumahuli pa sila. Si Pramila, guys. Nasunod din sa akin. Let's go down na, Pramila. Natakot din si Pramila eh. Ang laki pa naman ng mga aso. Guys, hindi ako natatakot sa mga aso. Pero dito nakakaramdam ako. Paano ba naman, guys? Baka gutom pa naman parati ang mga aso. Ang galing nila, oh. Malikabok yung daan. Dinarang maruay. Dari dulo.
Dulo.
Ay, bigaw. Alas 3 pa naman kasi darating yung mga anak niya. So, kunin lang namin yung carpet. May naayos pa kasi sa bahay nila ni Indeera eh. Tapos tingnan ko yung mga halaman nila Indeera. Sipag nilang dalawa. Grabe mga tao dito, guys. Hindi tumitigil sa katrabaho. After harvest, ano agad? Mostly yung itatanim nila mga mustard. Kasi winter. Ano tayo, guys? Indeera! They're fixing.
Yeah.
See? She's wearing socks also.
It's cold inside.
Yeah, it's cold. You wash clothes? No. Are your tenant? Okay. House tour.
I was told already
House
5
tour.
times.
House tour, 3-bedroom here, can't you? Someone is requesting, so that is why.
Yeah.
3-bedroom. And toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course this toilet.
So then we'll go to the first floor. House tour automatic, guys.
Yeah, 3 times.
Oh my God, it's cold.
Yeah. Why didn't wear socks?
Because no plan to come here. I'm searching the bucket to put water, no? But where I will buy the bucket, we don't know. Ito yan yung cabinet nila. Oh, nalagyan na, oh. Yan, yung cabinet nila. Ang ganda.
Wow. This one left now.
One left.
Like they will put the ply there.
Ah,
They said we didn't put the things.
so it's good. Better than us. Because ours is nothing.
Only here.
Yung sa amin, guys, hindi pa din kasi tapos. I think ours also is not yet done, that one. So, that is why. Yung sa amin, ganyan talaga, ano. Pero sa kanila, lalagyan pa ng cabinet. Oh, maganda. Nice.
Diba?
Yeah, at least. It's nice. Kasi may cover na ako before, wala, diba?
Yeah.
Maganda na kanchi. Upstairs, let's go. Ayan, napagod si Pramila. Let's go up. punta tayo sa rooftop ka.
Yan, magutabi din.
Yan, akit tayo sa rooftop. Sinigas ako. Kansi. What they are making now?
Is that it? Now they are putting board.
Huh? Room also? Where is the puja? This is the puja room.
Yeah.
Where is the crazy lady? Where is Mandira?
She's sleeping.
Oh, where are the plants? Saan yung mga laman
I
nila?
will put.
Maayos kasi dito, guys. May chili sila. Where is the one she told Sag?
Sagu downstairs.
You plant this side?
Yeah. You can see from here.
Ito yung likod nila kasi sa baba siya nagtanim. Yun nga. You go there? You plant? Tingnan niyo naman yung likod
Yeah, they
nila.
are selling too much. Yeah, they are also.
At least no problem.
I'm buying.
Anytime you can buy.
Oh, yeah.
They're all busy gardening, guys. Ang daming baka, oh. How many cows? Last time I counted, it's like 10. Yeah. Yan yung paligid nila ni Indeera dito. Tsaka yun, oh. Busy sa gardening. Can't see. We are fast only because her children will come. 3 o'clock. So that is why. Oh, this is your puja room. Ang kanilang pinapaayos ngayon, guys, kung saan sila is nagdadasal. So, gumagawa sila ng puja room. Kasi si Mandira, very religious yan. Mandira is very active. Preparing everything, especially kung may mga festival. And syempre si auntie. Yan. Ito, ewan ko if she's active also. She's like only back up for them. So, ito yung magiging puja room nila. Inaayos pa lang. And later, babalik tayo dito. So, let's go down, Kansi. Ayan. Baba tayo, guys. So, at least meron na silang puja room. At least you will have your puja room.
Yeah.
Will be more nice. And your cabinet also. It's nice. Come here. Come here. And the crazy lady. Yeah, the crazy lady is watching mobile. See? I thought she's sleeping. She's watching mobile. And see? They have this one. I think someone gave to Mandira.
Yeah.
Yeah, on her birthday.
There is a plant here.
Yeah, this is from her birthday.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
What you are doing now here, crazy lady?
I'm laying in bed. What?
Natutulala.
Wait, I got it.
Natutulala na naman si Pramila. Her children will come at 3 o'clock. Yeah. So she's here to get what she wants to give to her the carpet. Ask her when she come back. When she come back from the village.
कहिले आएको तपाईँ गाउँबाट?
अस्ति
अस्ति होइन कहिले?
के अरे बिहिबार
बिहिबार? Thursday.
Yeah, but she become fresh now.
दसैँ
She
तिहार
become little
लाग्यो
bit fat. That's why they told.
Masuk deh bच्चा.
माइती गएपछि त्यसै नि मोटाइ
माइती गएको?
Parang bahay.
माइतीमा
Bahay lang ang akyat agad yung paa niya eh.
Orang yang masuk deh bच्चा.
रङको खायो बङ्गुर खायो
You're studying. Yeah. Where? You have the storeroom?
नोटिस टोरो
Yeah, ito yung kanilang parang this side. Oh, bring.
I cannot bring
Maybe she will be happy because their house, no? Pasanin niya yan. Full house she can put. She can carry. Bigat siguro na. Dari ya, Biay?
त्यो बाहिर निकाल राम्रोसँग पटाएर गर्नु
Sanay si Pramila. Sanay na yan ng mga yan, guys. Aray ko. Dalhin niya sa bahay, tapos bukas labahan niya. Shortcut kami dito. Punta sa bahay. First time ko. This one first time. Wala, ang dami rin nilang tanim mo. Last time buwa also asked us to pass by here. Ang dami nilang, gaon mo. Dami nilang tanim mo. Galing. Alam nyo guys, kanina pa kami naglalakad yung mata ko sa mga garden nila. Kaya panay ako tanong kay Mandira. Okay. I know this country. Alam nyo, may kukuro. Natatakot ako sa aso. Dito lang talaga ako nakakaramdam guys ng takot sa mga aso. Kanchi, the big dog is here. Dito pala kami nagingi ng papaya guys ni Mandira na ang laki ng... Ayan siya guys. Oh. Ayan siya. Oh. Ay, ang cute niya. Laki. May breed kasi yan. Yan, he's the one. No, Kanchi?
She's the one or another one?
I said he and she's telling me she. We don't know also he or she that one.
He or she.
So dito na kami guys. Oh. Yan. Lagay niyo lang yan sa baba. Tapos ano nangyari? Ang baho kasi nito. Grabe yung kain ng daga.
I'll bring my bottle from there. Okay?
Where did you keep?
There.
Okay. Then will see here. Okay. Atid ko muna to. Kasi sa bahay. So ayan guys, lagay niyo muna dito. Yung side. Yan. Lagay niyo muna dyan. Yung buli, mati. So ayan yung mga tanim namin. So next ko na yung papakita sa inyo. Ansa? Wala. China. Sabi niya may ano ba ako ng daga siguro. So ayun guys. Kitain ko muna si Mandira ha. Tsaka balik ako dito. Yan. Takyo. Pagod sabi ko. Takyo. Pramila. Takyo. Buli. So ayun guys. Ito susunduin niya ng mga anak niya. Kaya nga nagmamadali din kami. At kain muna kami ni Mandira. Nagutom ako Hindi mga tao dito. Sige. Hindi napapagod. Walang pahinga. So yan guys, kain kami ni Mandira. Ayan. Kain muna kami guys ha.
Friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes.